I'm gonna be making some spaghetti today. I had a taste for some spaghetti. So of course y'all know the regular routine on how to make spaghetti. I'm gonna use 2 pounds of ground beef, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, some basil, salt, black pepper, some tomato paste, and rayos, marinara, but I'm using it as spaghetti. Of course, onions, mushroom, red peppers, and green peppers. And instead of pasta spaghetti, I'm gonna use this miracle noodle. It's a whole lot less carbs than the regular pasta. Since I'm on keto, this is what I'll be using. I'm gonna start with my meat first, my ground beef, and cooking. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, and I'm just gonna fry this up. Everybody know how to cook ground beef. So my ground beef is ready. So what I'm gonna do is just take it out the pot and put it into the bowl, and then I'm gonna fry up my vegetables. I'm gonna keep all these juices that's up in here. There's not a lot of juice in the way, but don't get rid of that. Not me, no way. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some more olive oil to this pot right here. I'm gonna add my onions. I'm gonna add me some. I forgot to say I'm gonna use some garlic. So my onions are translucent, and so now I'm just gonna add my bell peppers, my green ones, my red ones. And I'm going to add my mushroom. I'm going to cook this down. And I'm going to add some seasoning on it. I'm going to add some basil to it. My onion powder. You use your own judgment how much you want to use. My oregano. My garlic powder. My salt. Salt gonna make this sweat too. And my black pepper. So I'm gonna let this right here cook up. So my vegetables are softened. I'm gonna add my meat back to the pot. Just mix it up. Then I'm gonna add my marinara sauce. I'm gonna add the whole jar. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Alright, I'm gonna mix it up real good, and then I'm gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead on to the konjac miracle noodles. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Alright, and like I said, instead of using pasta, I'm gonna use this miracle noodles for keto. And with this right here, you have to rinse it for about a minute in cold water. For about a minute. Let me just pour it in like this. Now these right here is something that you got to get used to. It's not a something that you're gonna like straight off. It's nothing like pasta, but it takes on the flavor of whatever you add to it. So you got to rinse these off in cold water for 3 minutes. I'm just going to dump it in there like that. And then just move it around, just rinse it for a minute or so. But I'm going to do mine a little longer than that. And then you got to cook them. I'll get to that step in a little bit. I just keep rinsing them like that for, I'm going to do mine about 3 minutes. So I'll come back when it's ready. In the pan, it has to be a dry pan when you put these in. Listen, you want to you hear how it sounds? You want to keep cooking it until you don't hear that sound no more, till they dry. Sound like rubber, don't it? But you're just gonna keep on cooking it till it's dry, and you're gonna know when it's dry when you don't hear the sound no more. And just keep moving around. It's gonna maybe take about 5 minutes or so, and I'll be right back when it's ready. All right, this is how my miracle noodles look, just like spaghetti. And my meat sauce been simmering, so that's ready. So I'm just gonna plate it up now. Some meat sauce on top. And I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese on it. Add a little bit of parsley. Bam, there you go. It's my version of spaghetti with miracle noodles. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye.